How to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for fantasy.premierleague.com. Here, make sure that you are signed in to your Fantasy Premier League account where you want to delete the league. Now, in order to leave the league, tap on the Leagues and Cups option you see there and scroll down and under the Invitational Classic Leagues option you see, you will be able to view all your leagues. So go ahead and tap on the gear-like icon right beside the league that you want to leave and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Delete League. So tap on the Delete League option you see there, and with this, in the confirmation that appears, tap on OK again, and with this, you will no longer be a part of that league. So this was about how you can leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.